Hi everyone, I'm Zishan Ahmad. My student ID is S1441024. This is my lab 3 for digital forensics. In this lab, my project is to perform some bit shifting actions on a file so that the file can be recovered. I'm going to use a WinHex for this particular lab, and just let's start. Open up the WinHex. And then I'm going to use a notepad file for that, so I will just open a notepad file. I have to write few lines in the notepad, which I just copied here. So these are the 2 lines I'm going to write in the notepad. This is the data, we are going to use it. I'm just gonna save it, save as. We have a particular name for that, just correspondence dot text. Yeah, correspondence dot text. Save it up and then close it. And then in the next one we have saved this text in a notepad file. We have saved it as correspondence dot text. And then start WinHex. Take the file into your work folder. Okay, and then we can start the WinHex, which I already started. So I'm just copying this file correspondence.txt into my work folder right here, paste. This is the file, and in the next step, start WinHex. Starting a WinHex, we have to open this file in a circular in the chapter activity. We are going to use a circular left rotation option to modify the block. Let's do that. In here, open the file into WinHex. Open. We go to our work folder, and here you go. This is the file. Just open it up. So this is the text in the file. This document contains very sensitive information. We do not want the competition to be able to read it if they intercept the message. Yep. So what the thing is, we go to edit. The step is to select all the text and then go to edit again, and then we go to modify data. In there we have to select the circular left option, and then we go OK. So like this is a kind of action in the bit shifting. All the text has been converted into some other very strange language. So in here the data has been modified. Save the file. We have to save that file as a correspondence1.txt. so let's do it. After saving the file, we have to exit the WinHex. Okay, let's save the file, correspondence1.txt, and we save it over there. This has been saved. So now what we do, we simply have to exit it. Yep. And then I think we have to go to the WinHex again, restart the WinHex and open the same file which we just closed. Let's start the WinHex. Go OK. It might take few seconds. And then we open the second file which we saved after manipulation to the first one. This is the first file, this is second file. We open it up. Oh, this is taking some time. We are opening the file again. This is the file. Open it up. Yeah, this is the file back here. Like the text we converted by using the bit shifting Now we have to recover this text back. This is a strange language. So what we have to do, we have to first we have to select all the text, and then we do this modify data option. We're gonna use the same option, circular left rotation. We're going to use it for few times. Hopefully we are gonna use it for 8 times, and then it should be fine. Maybe all the data is gonna recover back. This is second time, and this is third one. It's already selected, and this is number 4. Circle left option number 5, number 6. It's not being recovered at the moment. Hopefully it should be fine. It's number 7. Oh yeah, it has been recovered in 7 attempts. So this document contains very sensitive information. We do not want the competition to be able to read it if they intercept the message. So guys, this was everything. Like, we have recovered the file back, and now what we have to do, yeah, we have done 7 steps, and now we have to save this file as a correspondence to.txt. Okay, let's do that. This can be fun. Save as. We're gonna do it correspondence to.txt. Save the file, and hopefully the file is saved. Oh, this file has been saved as correspondence to.txt. Yep, this is back to normal. And now let's move to the next step. In the next step, simply it's saying just write a short paper stating whether you think the method is a reliable one for encrypting. Leave WinHex running for the next project. Okay, so I have wrote few lines what I found from the bit shifting WinHex. So like, this is amazing tool. We can secure our data, we can restore the data as well. This is the best way for encryption, and I think it really helps a lot. So that was everything I learned from this lesson, and this was the lab 3 for me, and hopefully that's everything. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. If there's anything, please come back to me. Thank you.